Hello everyone, welcome back to GEEK. In this video, I will be explaining that how to rename or change user folder name in Windows 11. In last video, I explained that how you can change the account name on Windows 11, but that basically doesn't change the user folder name. Let me show you right now. My user account name is Pro, and earlier it was by the name Basic that I changed to Pro. But if I go to my File Explorer and this PC, local disk C, users, you can see that I don't see that Pro folder over here, and I can only see the Basic folder that is by the folder name, right? And if I want to change it from here by making a right click, I don't see the rename icon over here. There is no rename options. You can have a look, there is no rename options. All right, so how this need to be done? You have to close everything. And now before proceeding, I would recommend that please take a restore point in case if anything goes wrong by you to make any kind of mistake, at least you can revert the action. So for that, you need to click on your Windows search, type sysdm.cpl, hit enter. The system properties will be up. Now here from the top menu option, you have to click on system protection, and then here at the bottom you will find create. Click on create, and now you can take a restore point. So you can type any name that you can remember. Let's say I want to make it by today's date, so it can be like May 7, and then you have to click on create. Now this may take some time depending that how much data, how many applications you have on this computer. Alright, so once it's been done, what you will have to do, you need to create a new user account. So make a right click on the Windows icon, then click on settings. And then from the left menu option, click on accounts. Now scroll down and you will find other users. Click on it. Then click on add account. Then click I don't have this person sign in information. Add a user without a Microsoft account and then give it a name. This can be anything, whatever you want. I will give admin, and password you can keep blank. Then click on next. And now give this account the administrator rights. So click on the drop down account option, click on change account type and choose administrator. Then click on OK. And now you can close this box. And now you need to sign out from this account. So click on this profile picture, then click on sign out. And then you need to sign in with the new account that you have just created. So from the left hand corner, you can see it says admin that we created. Then click on sign in. And now this will be preparing the desktop and it will take some time. So kindly have some patience until this has been completed. Then you have to click on next, next and accept. So now the desktop just came up. Now what you have to do, you need to click on your Windows search, type regedit. From the suggestion, click on registry editor, then click on yes. The registry editor will be up. Now here from the left hand menu option, you have to click on HKey local machine, then click on software, then click on Microsoft, and then you have to look for Windows NT. So keep scrolling down until you find Windows NT. Double click on it, then double click on current version, and then you have to look for profile list. So scroll down until you find profile list. Double click on it, and now here you will find multiple SID for multiple user account. So you need to find out the one that belongs to your user account for which you want to change the folder name. So how you can find that? You have to click on your Windows search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, choose run as administrator, then click on yes. The black window will be coming up. Now here you have to type a command that you will be getting in the description. wmic space user account space get name comma SID. Now this will display the SID of all the user accounts. So we have to look for this one for which we want to change the name, and we can identify that the last 4 digit is 1002. And if we have a look over here from the left hand side on the registry, this is the one that we have to look for. So you have to click on it. Then on the right hand side, you have to look for profile image path. Double click on it, and now here you will find the old folder name that you want to change. So just name it as Pro, whatever you want to rename it to. Then you have to click on OK, and now you can close it. Then you have to close this box. All right, so now we have to sign out from this account. So click on this profile picture, then click on sign out. And now then you have to sign in back again with the same account of which you want to change the folder name. So choose that account, then sign in. Once signed in, again open the file explorer, then go to this PC, then go to local disk C, then on users. Now here you will find the old user folder name that you want to rename. Just right click on it, and now you will see the rename icon has been appeared. Click on the rename icon and rename it, and it's been done, right? Even if I close it, and now you can see we have the same username and same user account folder name here. All right, so this is the best way, and hopefully this will work for you as well, guys. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any question, any problem, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.